Chapter 1. Replacing the heating element and mica tube. Do not attempt to perform service on a hot tool. Always allow unit to cool completely and disconnect from power source before performing any service on the heat gun. Step 1. Remove the 4 T20 screws from the base of the metal heater tube by using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Step 2. Slide metal heater tube off of Rion by gently pulling outward. Metal heater tube should easily slide away from the heating element and mica tube. Step 3. Slide mica tube and element gasket off heating element. Discard mica tube and put gasket aside for reassembly. Step 4. Remove the heating element by grasping at base of heating element and pulling outward. You will feel some resistance as the heating element plugs into 2 sockets. Step 5. Replace new heating element by lining up both metal prongs on heating element with both socket holes on the heat gun. Press heating element firmly into sockets, ensuring you have good contact. Step 6. Install new mica tube by sliding it over the new heating element. The mica tube is required for proper heating and cooling of the unit. Your repair kit may have the mica tube already covering the heating element. Step 7. Replace the felt gasket by sliding it over the mica tube and heating element. Ensure the gasket is snug against the face of the heat gun. Note, place the gasket around the mica tube with orange side facing outward. Step 8. Replace the metal heating tube by sliding it over the mica tube and aligning the 4 screw holes on the metal heating tube with the 4 holes on the face of the heat gun. Step 9. Replace all 4 screws using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Tighten all screws until they are snug. Pay attention not to over-tighten screws as they will strip the threads in the screw holes.